The Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation sources are telling India Today TV on that Bollywood party that had taken place where celebrities tested positive that Saif Ali Khan is not in Mumbai. The BMC sources have said that the family is not revealing and not cooperating with the BMC officials. After asking the celebrities and the staff repeatedly, Kareena Kapoor's family members have told the BMC that Saif Ali Khan is not in Mumbai for the past 1 week. He is out of the city since the past few days. Family has not yet revealed anything about when he will return and is yet to be contacted. Remember, this is significant with regard to the contact tracing because Kareena Kapoor Khan result for COVID-19 has come positive. Paras is reporting on the latest from different residents. Remember, while Karan Johar has come negative, Kareena Kapoor has come positive. Paras, what are you picking up about this source-based information and what exactly are you being told about what the BMC is saying that Saif Ali Khan cannot be contacted?
Of course, Pooja, as we all know that BMC is trying to do every bit of thing to protect the people around Mumbai, and they are trying every bit of thing to stop this corona big change that is happening right now. But BMC sources are telling us that Saif Ali Khan was not in Mumbai and he is out from last 1 week. But one thing I just want to tell you, just before some time, just moment back, the team which was inside Karan Johar's residence has gone from here. They just went back, and the doctor which she was inside the residence has told us that Karan Johar has been tested and the reports will come tomorrow. All the family members has been tested today. All RT-PCR test has been done today and the reports will come tomorrow. But BMC is doing every bit of thing to protect the people around them, and contact tracing has been they are doing. Probably they want everyone to be safe right now because this party took place on 8th of December. After that, Seema Khan got COVID positive, and then Kareena Kapoor, and then Amrita Arora, and now...
And remember, the BMC allegation is that the COVID protocols were not followed, could have become a super spreader event. Saurabh Akhtani is outside Kareena Kapoor's residence. Saurabh, why is the mention of Saif Ali Khan right now come with regard to contact tracing? What are the BMC then going to do? What are they telling you about it?
So for Saif Ali Khan, what Pooja BMC top sources are telling us that he is not in Mumbai for the last 1 week and so. So what they were actually trying to get in touch with all the people who got in touch with all the celebrities. So what BMC officials told us, Pooja, that first of all they are not getting such cooperation which is needed from these celebrities. They are time and again asking that from 8th of December till day before yesterday, whom all they met, which all places they went, because this is very important. They don't have any travel history for foreign travel, and therefore the genome sequences for now is not needed. But which all places they went, who all people they actually met, it is very important for the BMC to know so that they can reach out to them and RT-PCR test can be done.
What it appears, Saurabh, BMC is only doing their job, trying to find out. So if at all any more have COVID positive tests, then at least it can be stopped at this minute. And they are correctly referring to the fact that one person even felt she had symptoms. Why attend the party in the first place? Maharashtra, remember, reporting the highest number of cases for now. Saurabh, Paras, please stay on with me. Are we looking at a possible big COVID scare with regard to the film industry? Because these are big names. Kareena Kapoor Khan, Amrita Arora, one of the closest friends of Kareena, Seema Khan, fashion designer Mahib Kapoor. Their tests have come positive for COVID-19. It was a dinner party hosted by director, filmmaker Karan Johar, who, as per sources we are being told, Karan Johar's test has come negative. A BMC team was earlier inside even Kareena's residence to conduct another round of testing and also to sanitize the area. The team has conducted RT-PCR of the entire staff of the household of the celebrity, apart from those like possibly the security guard of the building. The BMC teams have sanitized the premises, and we are being told about the actor. She's under home isolation. Her team and her statement on Instagram has said she's facing only mild symptoms and is feeling better. But BMC, according to the officials, will keep checking on her health every day. BMC officials arrived at Amrita Arora's residence. House also has been sanitized and sealed. Officials have said that she's also feeling better than before. Her husband and son's tests have come negative. But the domestic staff, driver, guards, their tests also have been taken for now. My colleague Anita Brito was outside Amrita Arora's house, which was being sanitized and also sealed to a certain extent. This is what she sent us.
We are standing right outside Amrita Arora's house in Bandra, where the BMC officials just arrived and have sealed the premises. As for the BMC officials, no one can leave the building until and unless all the tests have been done. The BMC officials are right now at Amrita's house testing all the family members of Amrita. So far, only Amrita has been tested positive, while the other tests are awaited. This is Anita Brito with cameraman Sahil, India Today, Mumbai.
So from Amrita Arora's residence to Kareena Kapoor Khan's residence in Mumbai, take a look what Saurabh Vakhtania sent us as this report, as some BMC officials came to sanitize the premises of Kareena Kapoor's residence.
किस तरीके की तैयारी यहाँ पे है, क्या कुछ किया जाएगा?
सर फिलहाल सैनिटाइज करने के लिए बोला हुआ है हमको, तो सैनिटाइज करके उनका घर, कॉमन स्पेसेस जो भी है, बिल्डिंग का लिफ्ट है और स्टेयरकेस है, नीचे गैरेजेस है, वहाँ पे सैनिटाइज कर लेंगे हम।
तो आप लोग जो सैनिटाइज करेंगे तो आप घर के अंदर नहीं जाएंगे, आपको पूरी प्रीमाइसेस बिल्डिंग
भी करेंगे, अंदर अलाउड करेंगे तो अंदर भी जाएंगे सर।
All right, let's go across to Saurabh Vakhtania in Paras. Saurabh is outside Kareena Kapoor's residence, while Paras is outside Karan Johar's residence. Karan Johar has come negative with regard to the tests. Saurabh, why should this be a big deal? Because the BMC has gone all the way out. BMC was the organization to reveal that Kareena Kapoor's and Amrita Arora's tests have come positive. It was not the actors themselves. They've even appealed for contact tracing, appealed for people to come forth. Why do you think that the BMC came out with this statement? How are they following it up?
So first of all, Pooja, these are big names. They are public figures and they are big celebrities. So this particular event which actually took place, the get-together happened on 8th of December, and the last person to get positive was only till 12th of December. So in between this particular period, lot of days have already passed. The first person to get positive was Seema Khan, wife of Sohail Khan. That too happened on 11th of December. And she was the one who was coughing and sneezing in this particular party. So you can imagine in this particular between time, lot of days have passed. This celebrities, Pooja, attend so many public events and functions and events. So what BMC is fearing is that while they were meeting others, there is possibly a huge chances that the virus could have spread to others as well. And therefore, they have made several teams at the ward level and different level that they will be in charge of doing the contact tracing. The health department of the BMC officials from different wards are on ground right now conducting contact tracing. So this becomes very important as they are public figures and celebrities. They might have met several people and they are expecting cooperation from the celebrities as well, that they reveal that which all places
and considering
they have
so
went,
many
who all they
engagements
have
and
met.
commitments all the time with regard to big events, it was not just about one private party. What are you picking up, Paras? Karan Johar's tests have been confirmed negative, but they are going to still take precautions around the premises. What are you picking up from there in Mumbai?
Of course, Pooja, few moments back, BMC official and BMC doctors just left from the premises. In the morning, BMC official came here and they sanitized whole premises, and after that they started doing RT-PCR test. RT-PCR test has been started. After that, a few moments back, the team of doctors has just left the residence, and while speaking to us, while speaking to India Today, our doctor said that RT-PCR test has been done. Karan Johar RT-PCR test has been done, plus his family's RT-PCR test has been done, and other staff members are also present there, and they are doing RT-PCR test of whole people who stays with them. So after asking them when we are expecting the reports, they said that tomorrow we can expect the reports, and after that we'll come to know if the family members and Karan Johar is negative or he is COVID positive. Pooja, back to you.
Latest Paras. Anita Brito is right outside Amrita Arora's residence. The Amrita Arora and Karina's name were revealed by the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Has the place been sanitized? What about the family members and the staff? And what exactly is the BMC focusing on today, Amrita? You brought us some visuals of more tests being done at her residence. What is the status? Because the fact is that the celebrities didn't give out that statement. The statement that their tests were positive came from the BMC. All right, we'll try and get that link back on with Anita Brito. So our reporters have been consistently trying to bring us updates. And while we hope the celebrities get well soon, the fact is there is a concern, a genuine fear if these could have become big super spreader events.